Hi friends, welcome back to my channel Fried Water. Today we are going to see how to make all-time favorite potato snacks. So let's get started. Peel and wash the potatoes and grate them into fine julienne. Now place them in a bowl of water and squeeze the water to get rid of excess starch. To this add chili powder, ginger garlic paste, chopped curry leaves, chopped coriander leaves, rice flour, plain flour, salt to taste, and lemon juice. Mix it well all together till all the sticks get well coated. It should look like this, separate from each other. Now immediately deep fry them on a medium heat oil in small batch till it's nice golden brown. Look at that, so thin and crispy. Time to taste it. It's so crispy and tasty. Try this recipe and let us know your comments. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up. And if you haven't subscribed my channel yet, please subscribe. See you in my next video. Thank you.